I have this here. This is a air filter, air purifier, and it is by Medify Air, and it is the MA-25. It's a medical grade air purifier for your home or business. The HEPA filters in here are designed to eliminate 99.9% of any air imperfections in your home, your business. What I'm going to do is get this open here so we can see what's in it. I'll give you some information here about what it will capture. So let's see what's in this thing. Now, if you have a home where have dust, pets, this is to clean up any pet dander, hair out of the room. It has this power cable here. So let's open this up. It's a very nice, small unit. Their power cable here hooks in the back here, and on top this is tempered glass, so that's where the tech comes in on this one. It is tempered glass. It has the child lock, timers. The timers range from first starting it on at up to 8 hours. So you can go up to 8 hours on a timer, and there are 3 different fan speeds for this. There's a giant power button here in the middle, and it also lights up for light up display, but it also has a dimmer, so if it's nighttime and you want to turn the lights down on it. It's not very heavy on lights, but if you want to turn the lights off or turn it down so you'll still be able to see it in the dark, it's right here. Now, what you get here is, once you open the box, you'll have to open these right here, these little ports here. And this is where your filter's in. Now, you can't go straight to running this when you first get it, because once you get it, you will have to take this off in this little pinch here. And this is your filter here. The filter's inside. They already have they have this on there. But you'll take the plastic off and then reinsert it. Now, it's not just on this side, it's actually on the other side also. Then air is going to go in, circulate inside, get cleaned up, and then it's going to go right back out here towards where. Now, for a 500 square foot home or room, it will actually clean up to 30 minutes, every 30 minutes. But if you have a smaller room, let's say 250 square feet, it's going to clean that room every 15 minutes. Now these filters here are true HEPA H13 grade HEPA filters. So they trap all harmful particles in the air, so they'll come out and clean that air up for you, so you won't have to have any trouble from anything, pollen, dust mites, pet dander, smoke. This is going to clean it up. And also on here, it will indicate when you have to replace these. And basically what you can do is go on Amazon and get yourself a new pair, or you can call the company. Well, call the company. You can go on the website for the company for Medify Air and also get some new filters sent out to you. Depending on how many harmful particles are inside your home, these filters should last up to 2,500 hours. Now just know with this, the filters do make a difference, and the kind of grade of filters that you have for your home will make a difference on how the air quality in your home will change and be better for you. Now this is good for anyone of an elderly age, anyone with any kind of asthma or any problems with breathing. You can put it anywhere. You can put it on something, under something, just to purify anything. But you want to make sure that when you do use this, you want to have it so that this is not blocked. The airway is not blocked, so that way it can do its job in your home or in your room. And you want to make sure nothing is blocking it. So now this does have an indicator that tells you when you need to change out the filter, but depending on the quality, the air quality in your home or your room, it should last up to 2,500 hours. And it is the MA-2500. I will leave a link in the descriptions below so that you can check it out and see it on Amazon. It's an Amazon link. I am an Amazon affiliate, so that does help me out. So just check below. The link is in the descriptions. So hopefully you like my unboxing of the Medify Air Purifier, the MA-25. And if you did, please press that like button. If you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button and share it. Share this video. Maybe it'll help somebody out there that is looking for a air purifier for their home or their room or their apartment or dorm room. These are great for a dorm room also. Again, I am the True Tech Dad. Thank you for watching.